Hey, I'm Tim. I just tested the top 5 drones for 2026, and one of them completely shocked me. I flew each one, tested their cameras, pushed their obstacle sensing, and checked battery life in real-world conditions. The results? Not what I expected. Let's count down. This thing fits in your palm. Literally. The Neo 2 is tiny, at just 151 grams, and it's honestly adorable out of the box. I took it outside, expecting a toy experience, but the 4K camera surprised me. Palm takeoff is slick. You literally launch it from your hand. The gesture control is fun for quick shots, and active track keeps subjects locked in. But here's the real issue. Battery life maxes out around 18 minutes in real testing, and the gimbal feels a bit sluggish compared to higher-end models. The wind pushed it around more than I liked. Still, for casual vlogging and travel, it works. But things get a lot more interesting from here, priced at $259. The Flip is a beast in a lightweight package. 249 grams, no registration needed, and it's packed with features that should cost way more. I launched it on a cloudy afternoon and immediately, I felt the gimbal stability. This thing's a smooth operator. The 4K/60 FPS HDR video is crisp, colors pop, and the 1/1.3-inch sensor handles low light way better than I expected. Subject tracking kept my friend in frame while she walked across the park. Flight time hit 31 minutes, which is legit impressive. The propeller guards work great for peace of mind. My complaint? The controller feels plasticky and cheap compared to the premium builds. It does the job, but doesn't feel premium. Still, the bang for buck here is undeniable. But things get a lot more interesting from here, priced at $349. The Air 3S landed in my hands and immediately felt like a serious upgrade. The 1-inch CMOS sensor is no joke. It pulled in detail. I didn't know my test footage had. I shot some sunset footage and the 14 stops of dynamic range kept both the sky and ground visible at the same time. That's incredible. The 4K/60 FPS HDR video looks genuinely cinematic. I flew it in low light, and the forward-facing LiDAR plus omnidirectional obstacle sensing made me feel totally secure. Night flying felt genuinely safer. The 45-minute flight time is solid, gave me plenty of shoot time. The panorama stitching is seamless too. But, and this matters, at this price point, I expected more camera versatility. You get one main camera and that's it. No tele options like the Mavic. The gimbal also isn't quite as smooth under heavy wind. For most creators though, this is the sweet spot. But things get a lot more interesting from here, priced at $989. The Mini 4 Pro is DJI's gateway to premium features in a sub-250-gram package. It's seriously light, travel approved, no registration hassle. I grabbed it and flew it immediately. The 34-minute flight time got me multiple takes without swapping batteries. The 4K/60 FPS HDR vertical video mode is wild for content creators, totally snappable for social media. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing worked flawlessly. I flew it through a tight forest path, and it detected trees from every angle. The 20 kilometers transmission range is solid. Here's where it gets interesting though. The camera is smaller than the Air 3S, so in lower light, the image gets grainier. The gimbal is tiny, and sometimes feels a bit jerky in windy conditions. And honestly, for the performance you get, the Mini 4 Pro feels overpriced compared to the Flip below it. You're really paying for the DJI brand name here, but things get a lot more interesting from here, priced at $759. Okay, this is where everything changes. The Mavic 4 Pro is a different beast entirely. The moment I held it, the build quality screamed professional. The gimbal is buttery smooth, the controller feels solid, everything just feels right. I launched it on a clear morning, and the 100 megapixels Hasselblad camera immediately delivered jaw-dropping detail. The 6K/60 FPS HDR footage is absolutely stunning. I'm talking movie production quality. But here's what shocked me most, those dual telecameras. I zoomed in on a bird perched a quarter mile away and saw feathers. Feathers! The 360-degree infinity gimbal gave me cinematic angles I couldn't get on any other drone. I flew it for 51 minutes straight. I didn't even have to think about battery. The 0.1 lux nightscape obstacle sensing flew it at dusk, pitch black, and it avoided obstacles like it had night vision. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, the weight means you need registration. But the footage quality justifies it completely. This is the one that completely shocked me, priced at $2,199.00, and that's the one that completely shocked me. All product links, pricing, and specs are down in the description below. Drop a like, subscribe to Tim's Top 5, and let me know which drone you'd pick in the comments.